to the Political Hour Show here on Eco TV International, the People's Choice. This program is brought to you by Eco TV International. And today here with me is Honorable Alhaji S. Dabo, the Nam of Brikama. I am your host, Rohede Toure. Go with me, inshallah. We'll have a talk with him about the things he has done for Brikama, the development he has brought for them, and way forward. Inshallah, you will get to know more from him. You can kindly follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Sponsors are also invited. You can call on the various numbers on the screen to sponsor this program. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Honorable Alhaji S. Dabo, the National Assembly member, Brikama North.
We've seen that you are a prominent member of United Democratic Party. You've served 2 terms. You are serving your 2nd term for the NAM position. Yes, and so what are some of the things that you've done for the Brikama people that they've decided to vote for you for the 2nd term?
Thank you very much. I think the role of a National Assembly member clearly spelled out. That is to say, we have 3 main functions, and that is representation, oversight, and legislative. To legislate, that is to make laws. Now, does not actually mean that National Assembly is the one that make law, but they are the ones that will approve the law. So that is the legislating, and what a NAM does in legislating one. You can contribute to the laws that are brought by the executive to the executive bill. Whether those laws are for the betterment of the Gambian people, that should be your utmost position. And NAM can also bring what we call the private members bill. That is, you can initiate a bill and brought it for the National Assembly to consider that particular bill. The second one is representation, to be the mouthpiece of your constituent and then try to advocate for their needs, to extend their needs, be their voices. The people cannot talk about what is affecting them, but you can be talking about what is affecting them directly at the National Assembly. That is the National Bantaba. The third one is the oversight. National Assembly approved budgets for different institutions, and those institutions supposed to give service to the citizenry. Now, whether those ones are properly utilized, the National Assembly is supposed to conduct that oversight. As NAM, to serve as that watchdog on the public's account and the services that's supposed to be rendered by the executive. That is also our role. Were you doing this when you were elected? That is what is your role precisely. And I believe when I was re-elected, the people have that trust that I was their mouthpiece. I spoke for them, I represented them, and I conducted that oversight for my constituency executive. First time, National Assembly did not create such a mechanism for private members bill to be initiated by the Assembly. Now we find it very difficult to do so. However, in the 2nd term, those opportunities are there. We'll come to that later. Okay. So, talking about the needs of the people, directly, the people need roads. You cannot provide roads for them. But you talk to the executive that your people needs roads. The people need clean water. You cannot talk to the executive to do that for them. They need healthcare, medical facilities, they need schools, things that are affecting their livelihood. you should be the mouthpiece. And exactly that was what we are doing. I believe based on that, my people had that trust in me to re-elect me to still continue to serve them. Well, inspiration to join politics, well, it is a common belief that every man is a political animal. Okay. And being a human being. Mm-hmm. In that, I also tend to be a political man precisely. But however, since my school days, I have been a unionist. Okay. And then from school also, I had been a youth activist. I had also been a sport administrator. And then because of that societal role that I did play since childhood and my youthful days, that actually inspired me to get into party politics, though that was not partisan. They do also have their own ways of politics, even though not partisan. But inspiration, I got through that. Then eventually, I see myself an active politician. Okay.
And what are your challenges as a NAM, and how have you overcome them?
Well, challenges as a NAM is that the demand of your people. Directly, you cannot meet the demands. You can only be a mouthpiece. Try to advocate for them. And now, if those demands are not met, it's very challenging on you. You have seen day in, day out, things that are affecting the livelihood of your people. You confront the executive to look into that. What they will give you is empty promise, year in, year out. That is a challenge, and that is a frustration.
Okay. And as a UDP member, how does your party's agenda align with the needs of Brikama residents?
Well, the party's agenda were clearly spelled out in our manifesto that we offer to the people so that they can give us the government. Among them, good health care, education, youth empowerment, infrastructural development, you name them, and health. This is what UDP map out in what we call our 5-point agenda. Basically, we want to improve the Gambia. We want to give the Gambia the best of the Gambia.
So, do you think the Gambia is in or not in best hands?
Well, we can all see it. There is no secret in that, whether we have the best of the Gambia or not. We all know what we have in our houses, what we eat, day in, day out, the economic condition of the country. That's why the young people are leaving our soil to go for greener pasture, and they will perish in the sea, in the desert. If we have the best of the Gambia, that will not have happened.
Okay. And what advice would you give to the youths that are embarking on this journey?
Well, there is pasture at home. We encourage them to stay so that we can all contribute to effect the change that we want in this country. I believe with change, if we trust a responsible government, wherever you are, whoever you are in this country, I believe you can get what you want in this country. And the young people are the key players to effect that change. I encourage them to stay. We contribute our quota to ensure there is change and to entrust our welfare to a more responsible executive that can give us better lives.
Okay. And what are your 3 key priorities for the Brikama residents?
The priorities are that what my people want. Road network is very key here. When you come when you come to Brikama in most of the areas during rainy season, road network is terrible. Most of the places are not accessible. For taxi services that we do have, And that also has relation to certain services. That is the health care. Okay. If you are sick, you want to get to the hospital, you need to be transported. If the road network is not good, that is a challenge. Most of the places, they still don't have clean drinking water. An urban place like Brikama, still now, some of the places, they don't have the clean drinking water.
What are you doing towards that?
Advocacy to the central government, okay. And also, I mean, to donors or partners, the NGOs that can render assistance, and for central government, that is through the Ministry of Water Resources and the NAWEC, to ensure that the citizenry are provided with clean drinking water. And of course, electricity is very key. There cannot be development in this modern generation without electricity. There are a lot of places in my constituency that still don't have electricity. People will die in the hospital not because they've met their time of death, just because during the course of the services, the power went off, and that will result to the death of that particular person. I believe lives can be saved when we have adequate power supply in our health facilities.
Okay. Donc recently fana ngajel fana ko sate o mamandinde parce que ko the former president Yahya Jammeh al asset sol waftal but femmande saying ite muna jewtondum. What is your take on that?
What take on that ngap nge forum alto ngaje social media eco revelation keta. At one point, Ministry Attorney General Ninkaro Kera National Assembly Yahya Jammeh asset solu men ya lonko ya foko ye soto o listo le fundita baranga men fananje men fundira National Assembly ani men fundira sai afatata dol man fundi National Assembly wala fatara ayitani da ko afengo be man fenti bar sila ya foko ibe fengo be jing iba fenti da mbo batun kan pour fengo be suji fenti njegita ko bina National Assembly den nanata même bebe mabarum duma njegita abe nyanta fenti la.
Okay. And can you share some recent projects or initiatives you've spearheaded for the people of Brikama?
Road network coming advocate, not necessarily you spearhead, it coming advocate. Okay. Promula molo, Brikama la silo be because nkame me for olamo. Brikama nyata keloko capital mati di region. What handing atera nyimbedol be manke no manoti. Bari kabila anyanta mbedba sotlal men nyanta manala men si taxi la dungoni finto nyi sonyandi nkan dalo kan bakil na kabilol be mi yalon ko be jang wa birwo kola natana sila kilin soto folon me yalon ko abe deda kan wala keda jalba ku yatela siloti inata fonya fananko Kasa Kunda, Brikama Kasa Kunda, Nyonfel Marina Fanan Silo Fanan, Ofana Nyanta Dedala, Al Deda Nyimbe Tamakan, and Yuko Belingara Silo Fanan, Ofana Be Kodola Yinikan Purnyanta, Pruka Deda. Pafulo to Mandinare Silo Fanan, Ofanan approved Taleko, Abetara, Equasula Silo Yon Konola Kajako, Asilo Fanani Deda. Barila Hido detail ko Birkamala Silakuo. Abe jibela loko serikunda silabalu jibeta nyame na nimba njumir kama tafan kela wole nyama ndi bota silo la karola ntol fanan jamben kam batande bake sama kono wala mu deni ji sam jio ni jio boyta silaba kan mana banyin kan aka dun korda jama kono aka mul batandi jiboru nyamu janna problème otin ka wadenke baaje ko jibor silo nyanta bolale isaje nin sama keda mol men kawuda e kila siwol bula e kata dinkra do karambongol to lobitanol kasteje wol sibula no sango kakele so laftol ngaje ko wol kolji wolle dan kandalo ko ka wate pour kaje ko ni yeddan na Brikama la firing range sojorol ka training ke damento fana nga foko sam Brikama mu capital olti firing range mbe sata o temal anyanta bola jele ngandalo kan slan faydo to o bota jele ye firing range ya soundi keno membe je pro keno nyin ye kuke je memu yurwa kuti bar hani be tarra sojorol la karola bar yurwa do ko si tarajem bo fana advocate kan ye lahiri men wala mu military hospital kawo dinkra nyun to yella hirwo fanannal nim fondin jolla ko wala la balabo nyoto on kanda ke je baake ba on defa on nata no walla sango sanka tournament organiser na kafol men be Brikama anala dandan walla ga tournament organiser annun kafo kafe me yalon ko ebe Brikama la competition into nawetan competition to ke la registration of feeling into la ka jo ya itoyalla anin ku katawlo men yalon ko nin namolu ka
okay so tournament ni for alka center to only UDP nkol wala
ko Brikama yalon ko Brikama ma UDP fo ni ko drum Brikama drum o do sal ko te man party for ni UDP la mba fa la UDP tournament an ko le ga tournament organize ka full men yalon ko be Brikama e ke dake Brikama la football competition de kamen fo nawetanol foroto nga ko timol mebe Brikama bar nata janjande sato sate be Brikama note foyda be Brikama la nawetan to foyda teje bar ningata satol mi be Brikama note ni be da kafundu konola.
Okay. And how do you ensure that the voices of Brikama residents are represented in parliamentary debates?
Of course, that is during the ICA question on Yininka coming for oral question and answers. Iko kele every sitting isi question lud Yininka no wala molla sulolti jama be ka ke Brikama la sula kolelti dolin sa ke banko be la sula kote bawe be banko fane jele ko kele and then nabota oral question during adjournment debate tumando balonga kele ka fon kana debate ke antol kala fila watu nga debate ke bawo debate len ka molla kol dante no ninga wo soto no memun molla suloti ka bankele pour ya lon ko nyina molla suloti ministal sina yela jabirol ke abibul nyamen na yo fana yitande.
Okay. And how are you working to improve women's participation in politics and economic activities in Brikama?
Wolen ka musolu encourage ye dalbla political kono ye dalbla kafol kono sain Brikama jan telephone ninke jama beje suite da bake political kono national level and regional level because of what encouraging kamen dila ngamira na UDP la female youth president abota Brikama notle UDP la deputy national organizing secretary abota Brikama notle will be ka purka dum politiko nyun kono a faydoto anata because of encouragement kamen dila.
Okay, say musola kafu atol kan politics kono way muna natina
musolu amanke ko la kafu atolo kan idabe jele ila participation in politics idabe ko manka funtol ma idabe jele politiko nyun kono. So I think we musol fango sementu ya kambakele bawon kamen fo kana ke bulko sulal dambati bari fananka participate alhamdulillah musol be nyato ka ta balaka sol kam bari bella fala nyinela akana dan wala hanimbi isa kata yetambi cewol nyato politiko kon.
Okay, saying yeah, mina soto ka for youth so dole fanan parce que nini diam to comme la priya venture into politics e ka fala ko politico mu game no rungolti dum politicien ol ke mire ko da mal ça a été mina soto pour ka folie pour que encourage ka join politics kon
ndenga ta example tam fangola nga fo ko nga activism snol kele kabirum student for youth nying of course wato mol ka wa miro nyinata barinte ma wa miro ta at that time mbe politique kan hanne manke active politician din carte fay wato ni sita nka participate politico kono le nga campaign ki nga carte fay ke parti nga men kanu candidate nga men kanu barna banta nga tante nga na doku ko tawol ke mbay be samba kan nyolale fo mul na tan sude yenyin na to nyin hamonyin so do ka fo ko kanyin palaso nyin din nin ayatara nawo fondin ke participation o wonte te nunnu molta wo sulo nyin sotla nan tenana man sibo ka fo be dipte ya nyin na mollelu ya nata e ko nga place nyin ya commence no pour kansulo ya la ngawo nyini ma soto den birin dipte ya fana nata mutan kanko de ke ala nata ndema so ni lota molye alon ko molbe lole yelne so politiko be wole nyama ni make banko ta kele banko ba kele nyamen dran fo saski banko e nyanti da kala jelel yayi tandi mune muytala mirote lafta minela banko kan den niyo ke dron banko fana be lole yenne.
Okay. And what specific programs do you support to create opportunities for Brikama youths in entrepreneurship and skill development?
Program min ya lonko various ministries ki sambana our ministries will be create la amanje ko telba create ka ko you create a program ministry ke sambana ministry of gender ka programol sammanan ka fondi musolla and the ministry of youth fanan ka programol samame ya lon ko ka fondi funding cholla nuwol be na national assembly nke support len andun ka ya moro men di don ko ya tamandi ko luwa ya alandi nyaade nyaminna.
Okay. And how do you plan to address sanitization and waste management issues in rapidly growing areas of Brikama?
Yala ni ko how do we plan to address nkame itani membu molla sulolti ikawla itandi molla sulol lam nginti abe batandi kan ikawla be executive nye ko ngina wontela molla suloti lafitale aliyenyinke ni nata sanitation la ngamba fo kan janan kan dalo ka wato wati pour na siyo janin drainage o nyanta kila nyamen because ni sama keta jiburol nyaalu dinkol be fata e be katama wol nyanta bolale kaje ko jiburol ye tamandi e sage sanitation si sotono senyanyi si sotono nkawol advocate nkawol foma sakunda wato wate kaje ko woliye tama ide tamo advocacy de ka foma sakunda e executive nyin executive ye tama den ni nata karola local government fanan wal fanan ba ko tamandi kalne na council sotole nkai tandi men sajo ni to fanan tara council wal fanan ka wal fanan denkle jele même council la lo dulate isafo council le council sa denkle de même man sakunda bala lo dulate yayi tandi man sakunda bala ifitama wal.
Okay. To remind you again, you are watching Eco TV International, the People's Choice. You can kindly follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Sponsors are also invited. You can call on the various numbers on the screen to sponsor this program. Well, how do you engage with constituents to ensure transparency in your work as their representative?
Wala ning atara nga call soto nka itandi le molla nka nga forum wal soto le nka itandi molla ko nyin kula nyin be keri tumando se mituma nyin kumandi ne molya ko nyin kacha kela miro luki jube o kol nyanta tamala nyamen tumando yeta mol kan e muru indi mole kacha kolla kalon ko la sulol be lari nyamen na wollum taram bulol den ka ben tamandi ne mole futa nyoma kela kolya kolu kalon bawo social media be kerna woy kol sonia ay si kuma kan fontindino alla forumol to oronto ya janjandi forumol to ko nyine be kere pour molu sila ya marol di sila kangol di ning a tarabe jarra nga mitungo nyon kuma si mitungo nyon kuma nga ko nga kacha.
Okay. And also, can you please explain how constituency development funds are allocated and monitored in Brikama?
Constituency development for National Assembly wale maratala itolle fananka a monitor e kamenke do wale ka constituency nyinin kale through their National Assembly member illa fita mu yuruwa kulela tol fanan niyo kawajen di farankana mudan na mol kan nyinin ka alla fita mu yuruwa kulela yuruwa ndi wala mo alla for constituency development fund den nga nyinin karol ke bawo nga tundi fulal sura jang wod fulal nyimbe jande ni wodu dosi ala proposal samana wod do fana sala proposal samana na constituency committee fana yala proposal samana wol kono nga nasi nga technical committee sotole member jubela ni ya jube ni men tombo wol kono den sinawo di National Assembly la o seken na projet doti wo constituency development fund te ninga din to la do ko banta wolto National Assembly se bidi nyindi contracto mel lafta ka do ko nyinke e bidi di nimme ya gagné e dapanso di wala e si kuma ne ya foko a to la nyanta nyin do ko kele la nyin din kra karo lafta na la jele kana do ko la je pour ye mo yitandina membe karla tarlam fe nimbe do ko nyinke la e fananso ke den wat ni wate sina yamu ikeje murumuru kaje fo be do ko ci kan ne ba fo man do ko nyinke na consequence development fund aka ke wole nyama a jona adio na jo be katara National Assembly le bulu membe ndol ka wala mu ka projecto identify min ka boyla molugul na identify ta abe dila nyamen abe dépense la nyamen na abe be National Assembly le bulu.
Okay. And fanang ning ye chance soto pour que the president advice ita muna wakilatal advice
ning president kay ba wonte mo wala no advice la balati ate wolo ne birim bebe UDP ani bila kede independent fana ante mala advice la balti anu hanin bi de ning akode pour nga advice mbemem fulay duron fulo fo wala mo state house akana ke political banta bati akana ke political bureau na lafita anin politician ol di political kulu abe kachala ay political bureau sotole waranto ala kafole political bureau sotola anin min be kafrin akata wolto anika political ko kacaje nana maje ya president Jawara wato state house ka ke political banta bati nana maje ya Jammeh wato ka state house ke political banta bati sign nem boyta jela kabirnga la first time kanabula signda president Barrow ka ke mon la state house ka ke political banta bati anim fulanjam fanande mo man timma president hadamado hadabadi man timma oto maralo man saya marlo be kolyari nyamina fom molu sitare dala men yalla ko be kalle hakil mayala of course wal be kala mollati fanna o fanna la men yalla ngo ife ko ito lafa ha mo si warno itati o fanna to katambi tati oto aka mo dolu tom mon ka ke ala advice alti intela jero to umna jondi ya jerol modde nga mira anyanda place dole jibe la wolto wolye ay samba wolto bari ma mira wolyo fahamo soto wolanto ya mankuto nyin soto pour que lo kakate ay ya marlati wo fannala laftal na president aka ya mar kendo soto oda nyanda bola mollebul men ya lon ko mol jikta ko ni ya fo dawda mbalon fulande a jarta nyim makka molale so asoro jibe bakede ala mol men ya lon ko mol ya sortal soto ila lodulato pour que kala yamar lalti du kare ay place dol jibe awol dila Gambia Alpha Jamal be jang lonna Jamal be jang min farma santa fanna fannala njekta men sulo no place to no keta tumandon ka hello do sura la karola ol dol bebe bolale anin corruption o molbe afo ka nyamenna asilo ay bambang ha kana foko politiko ninga nyinke abenna politiko tinyala le hani akana nya lawol kan membe tiyata molu to ayo ke doron tumando fa olba la politiko jing beti andla bar ni kon tenin carte made nin kon be kar mala da benna politiko tinyal no man beti ya molto de ngame olba la politiko la njurla
okay tamo man siaba ke tamo banjam pakane sai ite muna soto kafo birkama moli anin Gambia molbi ambe
men fula birkama nin Gambia yuno wolam dron nga domando politiko nyoya yalan jalba ya fole akana molla badi ya yinka ka tija amanyan na wakila na mira nyalle be fatala banda natul be mu kilongaldi mbe lafsala ka yurwa di bankol mo lafta yurwa men me be ngaja nyamen na aniti aje nyamen na wallal fatala barna mirol wallalu fatala bar nganir wol be mu kilneto ora politiko kana dunda mbal tema ay na hadama ya tinya ay na tiriya tinya ay na badi ya tinya ina ya marti men dila Gambian ko la sakora birkama notun kolo.
Till next week. This is Eco TV International. You are watching the Political Hour Show. Till next week, inshallah. You are watching Eco TV International, the people's choice. Always there for everyone. None is excluded. Inshallah. Till next week. Bye bye.